Here we have the Powermatic 209HH planer. It can plane up to 20 inches wide, 8 inches thick. This thing's a beast. You can get it in a 5 horsepower, 230 volt single phase, 5 horsepower, 230 volt 3 phase, and 5 horsepower, 460 volt 3 phase. It does have the magnetic starter with some remotes. It's got a 2-speed gearbox with 16 and 20 feet per minute. And it does come with an extra sprocket set where you can get 24 and 31 feet per minute. Both in-feed and out-feed tables are cast iron. It has integrated caster system, so it's easy to move. And the helical cutter head has 100 4-sided carbide inserts. Between the 15 and 20 inch planers, not only do you get extra 5 inches and another 2 horsepower, but the 20 inch actually has a pressure bar, and that's just another bar to actually help hold the board down to reduce snipe. And this machine's backed by a 5-year warranty.